Hey, Chris, good news. I mean, how are you? Good news. Tell everybody there and your wife I said hi. I need your help. Remember when I said, it's quite a while ago. I said, okay, all in. And that Bill had a baby. Here it is. See? Where can I send it to and how? Should I do that? I need some rest. Did I mention that? Rest. It's history, not ordinary rust. And be it as it may, those people are wizards and have both feet on the ground, or both standing on the ship. I mean, that's great. And that's life. It fills up your lungs. It could be something for tourists as well. They are delighted to see that. I feel it. I know it. I sense it. And I am just asking you to put a lot of that aside. It's no junk. It's rust. It's jewelry, for instance. A lot of things. You just need somebody with the right ideas. And I'll be over there. It could last a little longer. But hey, I have no doubt that I come up with more ideas. And I have no doubt when it comes to you guys over there. Where are those sponsors? Let's grab them. That's healthy. Because you see the success. I mean, each and every time. And that, you improved that. Oh, look, I improved another kind of wearing my hair. Simply by talking to you. Could you please write down where I can send this to and then how it works? I would like to do it. My weight, when it wants to be sent to you right away, it speaks to me. It clearly said that, excuse me, that's a bit loud here. I'm listening to German banknotes here. Oh, they say something about swimming to you. Swimming? No, sending. I'll improve my English. They don't have to, I hope. Sponsors all around the globe. Here, listen. Yoo-hoo. So what? What are you waiting for? Where's your checkbook? I'm just working there, and sometimes I am very, very enthusiastic. I can't help it. And typing. Move it, please. Or cut out some more things. And if it's not possible, I'll think of something else. Yep, I will. Greetings from Germany.